What is SMS marketing? SMS marketing is getting increasingly popular and works very well for a lot of people. But what is SMS marketing? Hi there, Tommy Olsson here. But first, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any money making tips I share in my videos. So SMS marketing is very powerful if you have a good system and so on. It enables you to SMS text any leads that you have, and there's a ton of people, of course, a lot of people all over the world that using cell phones. So what if you can connect with all those people? I'm going to show you a system now to optimize your SMS marketing and to see if it's something that would fit you. And there's something I, of course, am a member of myself. So stay tuned and I will show you what it's all about. So here's the system I'm talking about. I'm going to show you inside everything shortly, but let's check this page out. The simple trick behind transforming cold, heartless prospect into rabid buyers using SMS phone leads, 24-hour SMS number, and also auto text. You have the power to sort and select and speak and sell 24/7. You can capture name, email, phone number automatically. You can promote whatever offer you want. Fast and easy setup, 50 minutes or less. You can promote just SMS phone leads, but I recommend you set up your business links in the automated SMS phone leads funnel as well, promoting your main business. And here you see an image of the automation. You advertise, and then caller get 60 seconds of teaser content as well as auto text that you easily set up, and you can set up auto reply to the text. And the goal is to, of course, to contain the continue the conversation with the prospect and to be able to make money through the system. And as I said, you get your interactive phone funnel. It's done for you, and you can advertise one number. You get one number that is not your private phone number, of course. It's a number connected to your system, but you can buy more numbers to optimize your earnings. And as I said, you collect a cell phone number, first name and emails. You can promote whatever you want. Easy setup. You can use this offline or online, and doesn't have to be within the make money online. It can be if you have a usual store, maybe a hairdresser or brick and mortar. And what we all want here, benefit 7, have people coming to you instead of you chasing them. So let's now have a look inside this system. Like when you're logging in, and you can disable this message here about connecting Stripe. Once you have connected Stripe, you get paid to Stripe, so that you can get instantly paid to your bank account as soon as you make money. And I've been paid several times. So anyway, here's the phone number you get. This is mine, of course, and here's the number of credit you get to use in the correspondence with your leads. I have 91 left. You get 200 credits for joining. And setting up the system is easy, but as I said, you need to set up Stripe to get paid, and you just hit Here's the system setup. Here you can view your leads and you can buy more SMS credits. Now you can get started for a one-time fee of $37 and make this automated sales. There are upgrades to get in touch with more leads and make more money faster, but you can do without those upgrades if you want. So let's go to the system setup. As set up there's a tool they share about recording a free audio message that you can add into your funnel. And here they talk about how you're going to write the warm-up message, the first message, and every step of everything you need to set up in your funnel. But it's quite easy to do, and it's get fast to set up. You get access also to a good bridge page when setting that up, where you can upload a video of yourself and a description, also button already installed so you can share your profile or your views can show. So here are your products, product access, and we can check out the SMS phone funnel, and here you set up your different opportunities that you want to promote. As the first option here, I recommend that you choose your main business. If you don't have a main business, you can of course choose any product or service and so on, but I recommend first a main business, and then you can add other programs here, and then just hit save, and then through the automatic SMS funnel, people may click your links and join what you are setting up in the funnel, your businesses. And here you can buy more credits to use, you can buy more numbers. Ringless software is an upgrade. That means that you can send SMS messages to your leads without them hearing a sound on the phone. And SMS Blaster is a system, also a paid service that you need to upgrade to if you want to. You can blast out to plenty of SMS leads at once. And here are some upgrades about Freedom Builders. And this is new, where you can get more leads, but let's check out the Freedom Builders. This mastermind you can choose to join. You can choose check out the details of this offer here, and let's check out how to get leads there. And this offer is just for active SMS Blaster customers. You get access, you can join this TextBot, Exciters Elite, or through an opt-in page. There's also an opt-in page, okay, and you can email, so you get email swipes and text messages for both. And then program 3 is Easy One Up opt-in page. It's an opportunity. I'm sure you have heard about Easy One Up before, but anyway, when people respond to your messages, you can check them out here, and you can get SMS messages, voice messages, or iApp messages. So check that every once in a while to see who's connected with you, and make sure to respond as soon as possible. Here we have trainings, fast start guide, you get bonuses you can access. And if you want to promote SMS phone leads, you can do so, because they have a contest here, and you can make unlimited $37 and more. And here you find the marketing material, all you need to promote. Anyway, if you want the automated SMS text tool with SMS phone leads, then hit the link below, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.